everybody. This is Patty with the Leather Lady. We're going to be talking about a line of product that I carry called Be Natural. It's a really, really good product if you're looking for a cleaner, conditioner for all types of leather. We're going to be talking about this saddle today. I'm going to show you a little bit how to use it and the benefits of using it. I've actually met the owners, gone to their plant here, and it's been a really, really good experience. So if you've never used Be Natural products, I would strongly recommend it. This is actually the Amore. Now the Amore is a product I use a lot because it is very versatile. You can use it on your car seats, you can use it on leather coats, you can use it on saddles, tack, that kind of a thing. Pretty much very, very versatile. It's a cleaner and a conditioner. The reason why I like it is it's also a gel. The other product that I use, the Black Rock, is more of a cream. This one is more of a gel. One of the things about this product I really, really love is that it has some lanolin in it. Be Natural has been around for a long, long time, and it's USA made, guys. So let's take a look at this saddle that I'm going to be working on here. Sorry if it jiggles a little bit. This here is a saddle that I'm getting ready to restore. It's an old, it's about 100 years old. So what I would do with this is they come with a little pop top. This is also Rudy's. Rudy's I sell. Both of these products I sell in my website. I sell anything that you see or anything that I've worked with. So Rudy's is more just of a conditioner and finish. So it will actually put a little bit more sheen on it. This is not a cleaner, guys. The Amore is the cleaner. So, but you can use both of those products. So what you're going to do is you're going to get yourself a little rag, a little towel, whatever, cut up a t-shirt, an old t-shirt, put a little bit on the towel. See how it's a nice little gel? Some people want to use your fingers as well. I do both. I put it on my fingers and rub it in. So what you're going to do is just rub it in. Now we got some tooling here. So what I usually do, because this has been sitting there so long, it doesn't take much, guys. You can use a large area to go ahead and clean that. But do you see how shiny? It's basically because it's wet. But what you're going to do with this product is now I'm going to let it sit. I'm going to let it sit for about 30 minutes. I'm going to, or even a day, not a couple of days, but a day, depending on how dirty this is. It's a little sticky, but that's okay because when it dries, it's not going to be that sticky. But then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my little round wool. This is a shearling, real shearling. It is really great for buffing. You can see I was using it a little bit earlier when I was doing a Black Rock video. And then you just buff it. And this is what brings out the shine. So if you were to leave it, it will actually become dull. That's what the Rudy's is for. The Rudy's sort of gives it that finish. But this will become a little bit dull. And so you really need to buff it to get it to shine. But look at the difference. Now we've got also some of these moldy little, I'm going to move the camera a little bit here. These moldy saddle strings. This saddle definitely was not taken care of. So you can actually put some here on your little rag here, and then go ahead and clean and condition it. Now I'd say if you are allergic to mold, don't do this. We did not know my daughter was allergic to mold until we cleaned a saddle together when she was little, and her eyes literally turned blood red. So be careful if you have any sensitivities to mold or anything of that nature. It'll take so you can see, oops, I'm just going to use my fingers, that it's taking it off. Okay. So no more mold. And it may leave speckles. Molds will leave speckles. Okay. So I'm just going to let this sit on there and soak in. And if I want it softer, I'm going to put neat's foot oil on it. Some people use actually olive oil for cheaper. I find that neat's foot oil is better because it does have properties in it to soften your leather, for leather. But if you're doing a lot of work, some people just use, actually, to be honest, olive oil. So there you go. So don't forget to go to my website and either pick up your Amore, your Rudy's, and if you like the cream, we have the Black Rock as well. There's other products there, and then also you'll find these 2-inch rounds. All right. I hope this has been helpful. Have a great day, and we will talk to you again. Don't forget, theleatherladyllc.com.